Hey guys, I am back, and I haven't made a video in a long time, so I went to Toys R Us and I found this. It was the Adventure Time Lego set. I bought it for $45 and I got it at Toys R Us. You want to know, it's the last one, and here it is. So there it is. Okay, and it's gonna be building in wait, just wait. So I actually built it off camera. I already built it, and here's one of them. It's Finn with a little sword in his hand. So there's Finn. And this is, I forgot this guy's name. So I have a book about Adventure Time and this guy's in it. So look at his name. I'll show you. I have the Adventure Time book. I got it from the dollar store. Here, now I'm gonna look through it to try to find it. What is it again? I'm checking, guys, I'm checking. It's the, he is the BMO. So this guy right here is the BMO. Yes. Okay. And this girl, forgot her name, so I'll check in my book. It tells mostly all the names. I don't think she's in my book, but she might. I'm checking, guys. I'm checking. Don't worry. I'm not gonna turn this video. Here she is. Okay, so this girl's name is Marceline. She's a vampire. Yep. She's not scary. And when I built this, I did the video the next day because this took me 2 hours to build. It was kind of complicated. Okay, next slide. Then we have the penguin. It's like a really cute penguin. His feet. His water feet. Water feet. Water feet. Feet. Okay, next one. Then we have Jake, the doggy. It's Jake. That's Jake. Okay, next guy. Then we have this girl. Just wait, I gotta get her. Then we have this girl. Hallelujah. And I'm gonna check what her name is, because I forgot her name. I forgot like all of these names. Okay, so this girl's name, her name is Princess Bubblegum. That's a really funny name, Princess Bubblegum. Okay, and then we have This guy took a long time. Because look, I'll show you why. Look at all these pieces. This was so hard. Like, it took such a long time. Okay. And I forgot his name, so I'm gonna check. Well, no, I do know his name, but I forgot his name. Come on. I already. Okay, so this guy is the Ice King. He's the Ice King. Yes, he's the Ice King. Then, last but not least, we have the unicorn. Look at the unicorn. You can, and it's really cool because it's like a flying unicorn because you can actually pose it. See? You can pose it. Yahoo! Okay, I forgot the unicorn's name, so I'm gonna check. I know it's on the last page. So this is Lady Rainicorns. It's Lady Rainicorns. That makes literally no sense. It's Lady Rainicorns. It's Lady Rainicorns. Okay. And if you like this video, give it 50 likes. About 100 or 10,000 likes. You only have 10 seconds before the video's over. 10, 9. Well, to smash that like button and the notifications. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. If you hit that like button, you are the Noah Education Squad. Sorry. No, seriously, you are the Education Squad. If you hit the smash like button and you hit the notification bell and you got the notifications. So bye guys. I'll see you in my next video. It's tomorrow. Bye guys.